What are you making?
So I make a lemon cake. If you had come to summer school, you would have.
You brought lemon cake.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that stuff was amazing.
Okay. So
I only joined this class because I wanted to hang out with you because I haven't seen you in a while.
I just love that David is also like chopping. David, I'm going to hire you. You look like you got some mad knife skills there. So pin your hair back before you endeavor to do something like that. All right. So cake mix goes into the pan. Packet of Jell-O lemon instant pudding. The next thing that we're going to put into the cake mix is 8 ounces of lemon yogurt. Wow, James, your lunch looks delicious.
All right, I got my pizza tacos.
Turn that around.
Okay.
Including water itself. It's just the amount.
Technically, that's your opinion.
I like to use some lemon juice. It's going to add a little bit of extra tangy, lemony flavor to it if you substitute some of your water with lemon. So,
Homeostasis.
what? Okay. So now we've got the 4 eggs. We've got half a cup of oil, half a cup of water with lemon juice. And the yogurt mixed with the cake mix and the Jell-O pudding, and we're just mixing it. And I don't use an electric mixer for this. I don't like to over anything with flour in it. So it's ready to go into the oven for 43 minutes. In all seriousness, Quincy, I will deliver half of this to your house if you want me to.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well, Miss O.
Okay, so now we get to spend the rest of this time. I'm going to stop recording it.